today's tutorial, I will teach you how to do the double crochet. I'm using the US term for double crochet. In a UK term, this would be a treble crochet. So I already made the foundation chain, and I will now show you how to do a double crochet. You start by yarning over, and then you insert your hook, yarn over, and you pull through. Then you yarn over again and you pull through 2 loops. That gives you 2 loops remaining on your hook, and you will yarn over again and you will pull through. That's a double crochet. Let's do this again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You will now have 3 loops on your hook. You will yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops left, yarn over, and then you pull through again. And this is what they look like. This is your double crochet. Let's do one more. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops left, yarn over, pull through. Let's do the rest of the row together as well. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 1 stitch left on this row. Remember to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through. Here you go. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And to finish off, you do 1 more stitch like this, a chain, and then you cut the yarn and leave a nice piece of strand left for you to secure the thread later on. And then you just pull through like this and you tighten it. And that's it. You made your double crochet.